Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Laab. Laab is a very popular dish in Southeast Asia. Let's get busy. You will need sweet rice to make your toasted rice powder. For your chili powder, you will do the same way as how you did for your rice powder. This is pork skin. This is beef tripe. Cook pork skin until soft and tender. Cook beef tripe for about 10 minutes. Remove all the fat from the pork skin. Sprinkle salt on both sides of the pork skin. Rub the pork skin for a couple seconds and rinse it with hot water. Cut into small pieces. The most important ingredient in Laab is the quality of your beef. If you want a tasty Laab, the beef has to be fresh, lean, and red, like what you see here. Ground beef from the store is not going to give you the same taste. This is beef tenderloin. Ground the beef. Put little water in pot enough to cook the ground beef. I cook my beef medium well done, but you can cook according to your preference. Use a slotted spoon to scoop the cooked ground beef into a large bowl. This is also a very important step when making Laab. Do not drink all the beef liquid. Keep enough to keep your beef moist. Otherwise, your Laab will taste dry. Mix pork skin, beef tripes, and ground beef together. After that, you can add some salt, fish sauce, ground chili pepper or fresh chili pepper, lime juice, then the rest of the ingredients. If you want to, you can add some galangal, MSG, lemongrass, beef bile, or even some fermented fish sauce. But I like mine without. Too much herbs can be overpowering in my opinion. What I make here tastes wonderful, easy, and quick. Taste your Laab to see if it's good to your liking. If it is not, feel free to add more of any of the ingredients into your Laab. Cut your beef into slices about 1 inch thick. Place them into a baking tray and broil them until medium well done, or to your likings. Cut them into very thin slices. Pour the beef juice from the baking tray into your beef slices. This will keep your lab moist and juicy. Mix all your ingredients as the same way as the ground beef lab. If you don't have any pork skin or beef tripe, it's okay to eat as it is. It tastes as good too. Since I have pork skin and beef tripe, I'm going to use them in my lab.
So good. So good.
Garnish with more spring onion, cilantro, or whatever you like. You can also serve with any kind of vegetable that you like as well. From my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more food recipes and more.